Well, more talk, more walking. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Press the button right here. Huh. Alright. Them bastards refuse to stop. I wonder why. They're supposed to damn stop for crosswalkers. Alright. About time they damn stop. There's a girl right there. Never mind her. I'm not interested in her anyway. Huh. If y'all seeing that in my shop, you know. Huh. I ain't it. They changed that billboard. Acme oh my. If y'all can see the sign though. They just recently changed that billboard. All right. Now, y'all not familiar with New Orleans? If you don't live in New Orleans, I hope anybody watching my video right now, you know, huh, just some parts of New Orleans y'all probably never got to see that billboard again. There's something that some parts of New Orleans that y'all never get to see. There's some parts that I've never seen before, you know, seeing them for the first time, you know, after being in New Orleans my whole life, you know. All right. Yeah, she fine, but oh well. I, I don't know if she'll ever watch this video or not when it airs, you know. So I'm not live right now, you know. She don't know who I am yet, unless she watched my videos. I doubt it. If she'd have watched my videos, she would have known who I was, you know. But damn, nobody don't barely know who Domino 7 is yet. I brought y'all around here before, you know. Thought somebody was behind me, you know. Joggers and stuff like that always be behind me, you know. I used to ride a bike, but I don't ride a bike no more. Yes, indeed. They had an old Winn-Dixie building right here. It just demolished it, you know. Yep, it's been demolished. Yes, indeed. You know. All right. Better film my better camera. All right. Ta-da.